talk a little about the tones you can get on the Stratocaster style guitar. It's a 3 pickup guitar. This is the neck pickup, the middle, and the bridge. There's a pickup selector that lets you choose which pickups are active. There's a volume control which controls the overall volume. There are 2 different tone controls. One is for the neck pickup, one is for the middle pickup. Let's listen to the different sounds. The neck pickup is a very full-bodied sound, has the bottom and the top. The middle pickup is much brighter, a little less of the bass. The bridge pickup is very bright. There are positions in between each pickup that let you select, for example, the neck and the middle pickup. Gives it like a glassy sound. And then the bridge and the middle pickup is a little sort of nasally sound. So the tone controls, I'm working on the neck pickup. This first tone control is for the neck pickup. It takes the highs out of the sound. Okay, there's also a tone control for the middle pickup. That's the next one down. Now there is no, on a standard Stratocaster, there is no tone control connection on the bridge pickup. And you can do some cool stuff with that and some things you might have heard. I'm going to go through some different sounds that you might have heard, and I'm just going to point to the pickups. So for example, first I'm going to do this little tricky one. I'm going to turn the tone all the way down in the middle. I'm going to use these 2 pickups. I'm going to play the first part of this thing. Then I'm just going to switch over to the neck pickup and play the second part of the thing. And you'll hear what radically different sounds you can get out of the guitar. Okay, so this is these 2 guys. This guy. See? Very different. So here's some different tones that you might have heard before. This is the neck pickup. Neck in the middle. Middle pickup. The bridge and the middle pickup. And then the bridge pickup by itself. So that's some of the different sounds you can get on the Stratocaster and how you can get them. Thanks for watching.